that this may be the time, and I think we, the government of Pakistan, and it will go to the credit of Honorable Prime Minister Imran Khan, who in the last time he was addressing the General Assembly 2 years ago, UNGA session which takes place every autumn in New York, perhaps, I hope he goes this time, and it will be to Pakistan's credit and success if we can raise the Junagadh issue again at the United Nations. And this is how the international community will come to recognize that this is a not disputed area, this is Pakistan territory. India has occupied Junagadh. India occupied Hyderabad. India has partially, illegally occupied all these places, and most of all, Jammu and Kashmir. And when I see that name of Junagadh today, it warms my heart that after being dormant for so many years, it is this government of Honorable Imran Khan and his colleagues which hopefully will vibrate in a speech in the UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. And I, for one, are looking forward to hearing the Junagadh name echo in the largest arena of the world. Vox Populi, the voice of the people, will decide the future of Junagadh.